5 reasons science can't disprove the existence of God. For centuries, humans have turned to science to explain everything from the birth of stars to the origin of life itself. But even with all current technology and theories, one question still remains untouched. Does God exist? And can science truly prove that he doesn't? Here are 5 powerful reasons why science can't disprove the existence of God. Reason number 1, the limits of science. Science deals with what can be observed, tested, and measured. But if God exists beyond space, time, and matter, then he exists beyond the reach of science itself. You can't use a microscope to study something that isn't part of the physical world. The tools simply don't match the target. Reason number 2, absence of evidence isn't evidence of absence. Not finding something doesn't mean it isn't there. Before the invention of the microscope, humans had no idea bacteria existed, yet they always did. Maybe our instruments just aren't advanced enough to detect something as vast and immaterial as God. Reason number 3, the why behind the universe. Science explains how the universe began, but not why it began. Why does anything exist at all? Why are the laws of physics so perfectly tuned for life? Those aren't scientific questions, they're philosophical, even spiritual. And that's where the God hypothesis still stands strong. Reason number 4, the mystery of consciousness. We understand neurons, but not consciousness. How can a collection of atoms suddenly be aware of its own existence? Science can't yet explain where awareness truly comes from. Is it just biology, or a glimpse of something divine within us? Reason number 5, quantum clues. In quantum mechanics, the observer affects the outcome. Reality itself seems to depend on consciousness. If observation shapes existence, then what or who is the ultimate observer? Could the universe itself be a reflection of a higher awareness, a mind beyond time and space? Science and faith are not enemies. They're two sides of the same search for truth. One seeks to understand how everything works. The other asks why it exists at all. Until science can answer every why, the possibility of God will always remain. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep and thought-provoking mysteries. Tell us in the comments, do you believe science will ever be able to prove or disprove the existence of God?
This video used AI-generated voiceover. Thanks for watching.